money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? So Dean, I'm back with another video. And today I got the IOGEAR wireless TV connection kit. So, what this is right here is gonna do is takes a video source, wirelessly transmit it to the TV through the transmit receiver. Therefore, you know what I mean, you connect your devices wirelessly. So what I'm planning to do with this, today I'm just going to do the unboxing, but what I plan to do with it is going to also show you connecting it to my 4K downscaler, so that way you can stream it to your laptop and therefore, you know, record or stream and everything else on you know, the networks. So that's my whole plan, because all these wires is getting a little bit, you know, out of hand. Now, I seen some reviews, there was mixed reviews upon it. Some people say it works, some people say it don't work. One thing you gotta remember when it comes to wireless products, you know, you have to pay attention to the bands that's in your neighborhood. And I say in your neighborhood because, you know, other people internet blankets over your internet, or sometimes, you know, under blanket your internet. So meaning that it covers, and all these different frequencies can mess with wireless devices. So you gotta keep that in mind. So you might have to either switch the wireless channels on your cordless phones, or even sometimes switch the wireless channels on your routers to make other devices work. Like this device right here, I believe is going to be dedicated to one frequency, so it will cause those type of issues. So here's the back of the box, the side of the box, and here's the front, as you've seen already. We'll get rid of that. So here's one of the devices. So got the antenna here, IR out, HDMI, and power. Cute little boxes, little cute little things. Here's the other box right here. This is the receiver, same thing, antenna, HDMI, IRN, and also the power. Now, the good thing about these, because it has the antenna, you could also buy an antenna to make it stretch. You know what I mean? So you could buy a bigger antenna. You don't have to use the stock ones that they give you. So in here we got the instructions, we got the two antennas, the IR, receivers and blasters, power adapter, another power adapter, and it come with HDMI cables, which is pretty dope, because you know they be sometimes cheap with those. So that's really it for right now. Just gonna show you that. I will make another video, you know, demonstrating and displaying how it works. Let's see if you wanted to get it for yourself, and this even if it's worth it, because like I said, I had conflicted reviews on it, so I'm not even sure myself. You know, they got a whole bunch of different ones out now, different brands. So I'm trying this one out, see how it works. You know, I'm in the hood, so you gotta save that money. You can't be spending cake like that. You know, I work for my money hard too. You know, so we gotta, you know, work on this little budget here, you dig? So we're gonna see what it do. And yeah, I'll let y'all know. It's OD, and I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.